This is the famous Jogini Waterfalls, about 3 kilometers from Manali and 2 kilometers from the famous Vashisht temple. The trek is through pine trees and orchards, and the mesmerizing Jogini Waterfalls is found cascading from a height of 160 feet. The trekkers are enchanted as they cross several smaller streams with a dazzling view of river Bias and the snow-dusted peaks of Rohtang. This is the first waterfall that we came across. The main waterfall lies further up ahead, and it takes about 3 hours to climb to the Jogini waterfalls. The place is of religious importance too, as Jogini Mata temple is situated at the foot of the waterfalls, the main waterfall. These are some of the slow motion footages that I took with my mobile. You can see these two young boys enjoying themselves and playing with water. Although this place is accessible from April to September, it is best to visit in the months of April, May or June before monsoon arrives. By June to September, Manali gets a lot of rainfall, so this route may become slippery and muddy. Before I sign off, these are some of the pictures which I took with my mobile, but I promise to come back for the main waterfall as and when I get an opportunity. Bye bye, take care. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.